everyone. Let's learn to read the clock.
There are two hands on a clock, minute hand and the hour hand.
The longer hand represents minutes and the shorter hand represents hour.
Now let's begin. The hour hand is on 6 and the minute hand is on 12. The time is 6 o'clock. The longer hand is at 3 and the shorter hand is at 10. The time is 10:15 or 10:15. The shorter hand is between 10 and 9. The bigger hand is at 6. Time is 9:30 or 9:30.
The bigger hand is at 9 and the shorter hand is between 5 and 6. The time is 5:45 or 5:45 to 6.